Looking for your next adventure? Murphy RV in Melbourne, Florida is your one-stop shop for everything RV. We're a family-owned and operated dealership, and we treat every customer like family too. Whether you're a first-time buyer or a seasoned road tripper, we're here to make the process easy, honest, and fun. From sleek travel trailers and fifth wheels to spacious Class A, B, and C motorhomes, we've got the perfect rig waiting for you. And if you already own an RV, we buy and consign RVs too. Bring us your unit and let us do the work. Already on the road? Our full-service department has you covered. From routine maintenance to major repairs, our certified technicians keep your RV running at its best so you never miss a mile. Murphy RV, family-owned, community-trusted. Come see us in Melbourne or check out our full inventory at murphyrvsales.com. Your adventure starts here.